to help you.
Oh, yeah.
Whoops. Huh?
He said I'm recording.
Oh, I didn't even see it.
I don't even know if you can see a paddleboard. Yeah, everyone's gonna see I do all the work.
Yep, so I like it. She's such a good girlfriend. Keep it up, Thalia. Everybody comment that. You want to give me the cooler too? Sure.
Yeah.
I do all the work.
Right? We had the cooler, the paddleboard. I needed this extra bag for stuff.
And now you got some shade.
Yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome.
All right.
Where them fish at? Get on, my princess. Fucking move. If this boat was moving, then you could do that.
It's a paddleboard. Why would you do that?
It's hilarious. Should've got a kayak.
Go buy one.
Alright. We're out here on Lady Bird enjoying our day in the sun. What do you think, Thalia? How's your trip going?
I think you need to paddle faster.
Yeah, if this woman was in front of me in my way, I would be.
Go all the way over there.
I'll drop this, it's your fault.
No, it's not.
Have you done this through the bag before?
No, I take it out.
Oh yeah, I'm not doing that. Watch it, that's right over there by that white pole.
That white pole right there. Okay,
Let's
go.
get a little closer. So right there, in between that pole and those trees, right there, that's your fish. Got him.
Wow, good job. Look at it.
Well, that's a bigger one right there.
Ooh, look at that.
I told you, didn't I?
Mm-hmm.
Look at his red eyes. You see that?
It's evil.
It's like, fuck you, Seth.
You guys are supposed to be paddleboarding.
We are literally paddleboarding.
No, that's what the fish is saying.
Oh. Oh yeah, that's another fish right there.
Where?
Right here. You recording?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you already got it.
What? Oh my gosh.
Damn. Oh. Look, they're following it.
Wow, you're so good. Oh my god, do you see all those other fish chasing it? Or was I going crazy?
Damn, no, there's a lot. They were all going after it.
Yeah.
That was cool.
They're like, no, me first, me first.
Yeah, the perch are crazy little shits.
Hey, stop freaking out,
This
man.
one's like me.
We're gonna release you.
I don't know, this one's a keeper.
No.
No. Be free. Ooh. Alright, let me grab you. Alright, here we go. You ain't getting away from that one, buddy. We just caught a little largemouth bass. Master Fisherman Seth is back at it. This is a $10 Ozark Trail fishing rod from Walmart. So that's really cool. They're making fishing rods that damn cheap, and they actually work. You know? Isn't that pretty awesome?
It is that it's cheap.
Look at that. Look at that turtle. That's like a snapping turtle right there.
Oh my goodness.
Big old. That's a soft shell turtle. You see how the shell looks weird?
Yeah. What does its face look like? Yeah, I got him. It looked like your feet was covered in mud. Are they? Okay, so the name of this place is Red Bud Isle, I think. Isle. How do you pronounce that?
Easily.
Isley?
No, I'm good.
Okay, this is my sandwich. And yours is in there.
And where?
In there. That was just an extra ice pack. Yours are the red ones. Some mango.
Mango. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Oh yeah, it's a fish. Watch. That's a pretty thing right there. Oh, we got off.
Oh.
Get in.
I am. But stay on the same side as me.
Why?
Just in case if something comes, I'll get you first.
No, you flip this one.
I'm not. Oh, the Ziploc bag. Okay.
How is it?
Are you gonna come be with me?
Not with your phone in my hand.
I got the Ziploc wet. Where the phone's supposed to go.
In the Ziploc?
Yeah.
You that up, didn't you?
But I have another one, it's okay.
See, paddleboarding was a success, and now I'm here going by the Barton Creek Greenbelt. I am on mile 3. I'm gonna get to 10 then turn around. So 10 out and back, 20-mile run total is what we're doing here. And I am in the Hoka Speedgoat 5s. You already know. I've only put 5 miles in them so far, so still kind of breaking them in. Man, I don't know if I run out here anymore. What the f? I'm just running down this trail. This dude is butt naked. Running. This dude's running butt ass naked. Only thing he has on is some fucking shoes. Alright guys, we're on almost mile 13. Heading back. Alright guys, I went to Whataburger. I ordered an avocado bacon burger. And they gave me some other sandwich. So I'm just getting calories. I chugged in Powerade, chugged a large water. It's hard. And now I'm here at twice the ice. It's time to get some ice. And then me and Kosei are taking an ice bath. I'm not excited. Alright guys, I just got back to the house with the ice. what up?
So, you ran 20?
Huh?
You ran 20 today?
Yes, sir. Got the 20 in. Yep. So I just got back with 4 20-pound bags of ice. And we're about to freeze up. I'm not excited.
You should be.
What do you think,
You
Kosei?
should be sore, man.
I am sore. It's going to hurt
My
more.
legs are like kind of sore because I just started running again.
Mm-hmm.
So this is good. I just ran right now.
Do you hate ice baths? It's uncomfortable, but
Yeah,
you know.
I don't hate it.
yeah, I kind of hate it a little bit. All right, well, let's start brewing this potion. All right, guys, we got the ice in there. We're letting it fill up. Then we're gonna let the water accumulate to the temperature of the ice.
What do you say?
Yeah, boy. All right, guys, we're about to get in this ice bath. Gotta get this inflammation out of our legs.
Look at this lobster, man.
And I'm excited.
He's so red.
Yeah, man. Got my legs.
Ooh, cooked.
Yeah, the inside of my legs are cooked, and the outside is, you know, just tan. So to revert this, we're just gonna hop in the ice bath and see if that'll make the red go away.
Fucking stop stung, beach.
My life, man. I love ice baths. I love them. It's not as bad now. It's not as bad now.
Nice. Oh, past the
Yeah.
worst part.
It's a good now. I'm good now. It's my feet. I mean, of course you feel your feet.
Oh yeah, the feet is always the worst.
It's like,
Yeah.
it hurts really bad and then it goes numb. So now that that went numb, I'm good. But my feet hurt. They hurt. They did hurt.
Yeah.
Yeah, I moved my feet in here, and then my right hamstring just started cramping, and I was like, but it went away. But I was scared for a second. I was like, because I don't want to get out.
There you go.
He's a savage. He just gets in there, puts his feet in, like, I'm gonna take my time. Oh,
And on the exhale, stop. 1.5 minutes, breath hold from now on.
yeah, guys, so that brings this video pretty much to an end. So paddleboarding and fishing was totally a success. What did you think, Thalia?
I was literally sleeping.
We paddleboarded, fished. I ran my 20 at Barton Creek, and that was lots of fun. And then, as you saw, you know, we took that ice bath. And I'm saying that as if y'all didn't just watch all that. But yeah, so I would definitely like to go paddleboard again. But yeah, if you were watching, I appreciate it. And just enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.